Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2019 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.0 TD4 Landmark Auto 4WD, finished in stylish gray with a premium black leather interior, equipped with a panoramic glass roof that enhances every journey with natural light and open sky views. From the side, the athletic profile is complemented by 19-inch alloy wheels, flush lines, and electric folding mirrors. The panoramic glass roof runs the length of the cabin, giving passengers a light-filled, spacious feel and adding to the premium experience. At the rear, it's sharp and functional with clean LED lighting and a powered tailgate. Powered by a 2.0-liter TD4 diesel engine and automatic transmission with 4WD, the Discovery Sport is ready for anything, from school runs to weekend escapes. Cruise control and start-stop technology make long journeys smooth and efficient. At the front, the Discovery Sport presents a bold and modern look with its signature grille, sleek headlights, and black detailing exclusive to the Landmark Edition. Step inside and enjoy a refined cabin built for comfort. You get 10-way electric front seats with heating, a heated steering wheel, and of course, that panoramic roof above, flooding the space with light and luxury. The Meridian sound system delivers crisp, immersive audio throughout. In terms of technology, the Discovery Sport includes built-in navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and an intuitive infotainment system, keeping everything easily accessible. In the back, the interior is spacious and practical with a premium finish, ideal for families or active lifestyles. In the boot, you get a generous load area that's easily accessed with the powered tailgate, perfect for travel, shopping, or everyday use. Visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 161-399-1629. Quote registration OW68YBK to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.